So what are some of the additive manufacturing use cases that made the technology so important in the recent years for many different industries? One major factor the technology got its first investments of some big companies falls under the term of functional prototyping. So during development cycles of new products, you want to test early designs, you want to test some innovative ideas very early, and you want to have a component that can already fulfill the final requirements of that component in an industrial context. And additive manufacturing absolutely helps within that domain. Another important use case, at least in an industrial context, is the spare parts on demand industry, where you can use or leverage additive manufacturing to have some improvements in your sourcing. So if you have some components that have a very complicated supply chain, or that have some very specific suppliers that maybe also went out of business in some time ago, and you have some trouble getting some component on a regular basis, but you also want to save on inventory costs, then additive manufacturing can have some benefits there as well. And most recently, it took some time for the development of additive manufacturing technology itself. But most recently, serial components have become a reality in at least metal additive manufacturing. And also, we can see it in a lot of use cases, some plastics being used for serial components in an industrial context, where additive manufacturing and its benefits are fully used to have some performance improvements and really make a difference in the industrial world.